Introducing the Milwaukee M12 cordless copper tubing cutter. This tool gets the job done up to 10 times faster than conventional copper tubing cutters. Easily operated with one hand, the close quarter metal cutting head is designed to get into tight spaces and adjust automatically to cut 3/8 to 1 inch diameter tubing. Rotating at 500 RPM, the cordless tubing cutter delivers up to 200 cuts on a single charge. And it's sealed to protect from moisture that can cause corrosion and rust. The Milwaukee M12 cordless copper tubing cutter, powered by Red Lithium.
Difference. Forged from German chrome vanadium.
Introducing the Milwaukee M18 Cordless ProPEX Expansion Tool. Developed in partnership with Uponor, this exclusive heavy-duty tool was designed with an auto-rotating head for faster ProPEX installs. An integrated magnesium frame means long life and maximum durability on the job site. For added user convenience, this tool is compatible with 3/8 to 1.5 inch Milwaukee and Uponor expansion heads. Additional features include an LED light, a battery fuel gauge, and compatibility with the Red Lithium Compact or XC high-capacity battery for increased productivity. The heavy-duty solution for ProPEX installs is the Milwaukee M18 Cordless ProPEX Expansion Tool, powered by Red Lithium.
The ultimate in versatility and gripping power. The Crescent 10-inch locking adjustable wrench combines the secure fit of an adjustable wrench with the torque and clamping power of locking pliers in one tool. Smooth action adjustable jaws open for larger sized fasteners, and serrated teeth provide a non-slip grip. To use, adjust the jaws to a fastener and clamp the locking pliers. The jaws lock tight and double the gripping power, even on rounded fasteners. Now you can apply more torque without slipping. The quick release makes repositioning fast and easy. A chrome finish resists rust and corrosion. The laser etch scale makes size adjustment quick and easy. And a dual material handle maximizes comfort and control. Visit CrescentTool.com to learn more about the Crescent 10-inch locking adjustable wrench.
SharkBite push-to-connect fittings. How to install PEX, copper, and CPVC pipe. The SharkBite universal brass push-to-connect fittings create a seamless and easy transition between different types of pipe materials. No tools are required, and the fittings can even be installed in wet lines. The fitting can be rotated after installation, so you can install without having to worry about how it's positioned. To get started, first identify the pipe material. SharkBite universal brass push-to-connect fittings are compatible with PEX, copper, CPVC, PERT, and HDPE pipe. SharkBite fittings come with a PEX stiffener preloaded into the fitting for PEX, PERT, and HDPE. The PEX stiffener does not need to be removed for copper or CPVC applications. Cut the pipe as cleanly and squarely as possible. Be sure the pipe is free of scratches and debris. If you are handling copper pipe, remove any sharp edges or burrs on the pipe. Next, use your SharkBite depth and deburr tool to measure and mark the insertion depth on your pipe. You can find the insertion depth chart on SharkBite.com. Push the fitting to the insertion mark you just made on the pipe. Now, turn on your water and check the connection. Unlike other fittings, SharkBite universal brass push-to-connect fittings can be removed and reused if changes are necessary. To remove the fitting, use a SharkBite disconnect clip or tong. To use the disconnect clip, snap it onto the pipe, press the release collar using the disconnect clip, and pull the pipe from the fitting. To use the disconnect tong, slide the tong over the fitting and the pipe. Squeeze the tong to press the fitting's release collar and pull the pipe from the fitting. The SharkBite universal brass push-to-connect fitting is ready to reuse. Using SharkBite is fast, efficient, and reliable.